don't know what to do. That is loud.
Right side, KFC.
Bang, 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 bang. Hey, behind you. Bang, bang. Bro, bang, bang.
Shit. Well, let me fucking get you.
Hey, I'm on your team. Hey, I'm on your team, by the way. I'm on your team.
Guy rushing that side.
Can you guard this with your life? It's my friends, and I don't want to lose it.
Watch out.
Where are they? Where are they?
They're over there.
Oh, crap. There's one over there.
I know, I'm not left-handed. But if I go on that side, somebody can shoot me. Thanks for the gun, by the way. This is awesome.
You're welcome, man. Bang, bang. Behind you. Hold the star. Hold the star. Are you on the team?
Wait, you on the
Bang, bang. I'm on that side.
by the way.
Tap, tap. Ah.
Alright guys, switch on.
Dude, I was going. Hey, your Raffica's in there, by the way. I ran out of ammo.
His RPK is not operating very well.
Dude,
Where's
I have nothing.
Raffica?
It's in there. It's on the table.
There's like no one in that KFC. It has like barely any gas left on it. Go on, go.
Robbie, I have no ammo. I have nothing in my life anymore.
Are you gonna leave?
No.
Okay. What, you gonna play one more game? Yeah. I guess, yeah. You want to point twos?
No. Oh, yeah, actually, yeah. Dude.
This thing's awesome. I'm definitely gonna get this.
Whose gun is that?
It's mine.
You guys want one more? I need a red dot, dude.
Wait, can you not start it yet? For like 5 seconds?
I'll let you use my red dot when we get back.
That hurts.
It's not my working gun right now. All I use it.
Is it on? Because I have a red dot, but it doesn't have a battery.
I've got some batteries for it. And by the way, it's brand new. I got it like 100. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's a $20 one. It's not that good, but still good.
Oh, we need Josue's musket thing.
Oh, that's the paintball. No, you can do that.
God damn, I hate everybody that have a pistol. You're like, yeah, I got a pistol. And I can go semi-automatic, because fuck you. Alright. No, they weren't serious.
That wasn't us!
That wasn't us.
That's not us!
Oh my god.
That was funny.
Never mind.
YouTube video out of that.
Thanks, dude.
Oh, holy shit. I'll take the fuck out of me.
Hey, Bieber. I ran out of ammo.
Yeah, I'm on the scene now.
Really?
Hey, man, Bengals got my gun.
You can't surrender.
Meh.
Meh.
Okay, look, I got...
You ain't got shit!
I'm on a 10 kill streak and I haven't even shot a bullet.
What the hell is that? Did you just turn zombie? Oh! Hey,
Yeah, if you need ammo, just come find me. I have feelers.
I might run out of gas this game though, so.
Bengals has got my rifle.
Bang bang!
I should probably tell him if the gun shoots like off.
Bang bang!
Bang, bang, bang!
Hey, start in the entrance building.
Bang bang!
The entrance building.
Where's the flag?
Hey guys, start inside that building.
I'm holding you hostage.
Do it, bro.
What?
Hey, where's the flag at?
It's in KFC.
Oh, okay. Oh.
This is deliciousness. It's being soaked in grease.
Inside the building, not behind it. Inside.
Okay, so what's our plan? What's the game plan?
Operate.
Operate, don't die?
Yeah.
Good.
We all know the response, correct?
Yeah, we do. Bieber, don't take your mask off. No, I'm kidding.
The belly button.
Building.
Not really, but okay.
Entrance 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go.
No! Why?
Got 2 guys, 3 guys.
Oh my! I'm on the other team. I mean, I'm on the same team. Shit, dude, is that?
Right there in this building.
The flag's
In this building, are you?
right there. The flag's right there, but there's a guy in that corner. Can you get him?
Which corner?
He's got a flag.
Corner right there.
He's got a flag plate.
KFC.
I almost shot it. Oh, I almost shot it here. Aha! If I shoot your gun, that means you're out.
Holy shit! There's a guy in there. What?
What was that?
Awesome! That was a Thunder Bee.
Am I out or?
There's a guy right here. There's a guy right here.
I don't have any ammo, so. I know.
So the flag's right there.
Are you hit?
He really wants me dead.
The flag's right there. I don't know what to do. I can probably run for it, but you guys need to provide cover.
All right. Which way?
Right there.
Okay. Okay. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! No!
Come out here.
Dude, nice! That was good covering fire. Thanks, man.
I took out the Polish star guy.
You did?
Yeah.
Dude, nice. Thank you so much.
I got one out.
Dude, that was awesome.
Tristan.
What? What's up?
Best gun I've ever held.
Hey, bro.
Oh, put on, I gotta
Yeah, I
go.
know they fell off. This is the best gun I've ever held.
Combat machines are solid weapons, dude.
They are.
Kristen's a smart man. Got you some good photos too, bro.
Dude, were they really? Did you take a picture? Or did I run too fast?
Oh, not of you, but of other people.
Oh, okay.
Where's
Good.
Flag at?
Thank you.
That last game set before we even started.
What?
Well, you were on my team, right?
No? I was on
Someone
the
got it from KFC off the break to down there, and then they were shot, and then he got it from there to the base.